Welcome guys, in this video we are going to create the Photos Apple logo. As you can see in our simulator, there is a logo of Apple Photos. So we are creating this logo using Swift UI. So this is the Apple logo we have created using Swift UI, and we will learn some cool animation to this logo. As you can see, each item are scaled from 0 position to its initial position. So we will see some cool animations also using Swift UI. We are going to use some scale, rotation and spring animation, how this logo will behave with different type of animation. New project called as Photos logo, and interface should be Swift UI and the language should be Swift UI. I am clicking on next. I will save it into the desktop. As you see the Apple logo, there are different items. I am going to create one item. There is a view called as rounded rectangle and have a property of corner radius, and I am going to give this a 40, and I am just giving some frames so that it can be visible, and I am just going to give this width to 70 and height to 140. I am giving a foreground color dot red. Now I just run the program. We get our rounded view. Now as you see in the photos, there are different items and they are overlapping with each other. So in this case we are going to use a Z stack. Now I am creating different items. For each loop will help us, and I will creating 2 items as of now. Now I run the program. We get a view, but there are 2 items we have created, but they are not visible because they are overlapping each other. That's why we use Z stack, so that it can overlap between 2 views. If you see the photos logo carefully, there are 8 items. Why there are 8 items? Because a circle have a complete degree of 360. If you divide the 360 divided by 8, it will give the angle 45. So each item is having a difference of 45 degrees. So I am giving these items a rotation angle of 45, and each item is represented by our item. I am just going to our item. Now I just run the program. Now you see the 2 items are having a rotation angle from center. I just want the anchor to be bottom. Now we have an anchor property and I just give it bottom. As you see, we have created 2 different items. Now there is no color difference between 2 items. There is a property called as hue rotation, and I have to provide the degree, same degree. Now I just run the program. As you can see, now there is a difference between 2 items. What hue rotation did? Hue rotation is basically change the color from source to destination with the difference of degrees. Now I just replace the 2 with our 8 so that I get our whole circle. You can see our circle now. Now each items are overlapping with each other. I have a property called as blend mode, and it should be multiply. It have different properties. What it will do, it will change the color pixel to pixel of the overlapping area. As you can see, the overlapping area is now colored. What it will do, it will generally multiply the pixels of each overlapping areas. Now I want some offset of each property, and I'm just writing -2. Why -2? Because in photos logo, if you see, there is a circle at the center, so I'm just giving the y to -2 so that I can get the inner circle. As you can see, the photos logo, it have light colors, right? So I have a property called as opacity, and I just give it to 0.8. Now I just run the program. Now we have created the Apple logo via Swift UI. Now we will see some animations. First of all, we start with the scale animation. I have a property scale effect, and it will take some value. I will just create a state variable for scale, and the value should be of type CG float. As you can see, scale type is taking CG float type. Initially it will be 1 and I'm just passing this scale. Now the animations are now changed in iOS 15. Now we will write on a pair, and what will I do with animation, and I just write with animation scale equals to 0. It is scaled to 0 position. Now I want the animation to be repeat forever. So I will create an animation. I am going to use the animation class dot spring, and there are some different options we can use. You can play with the values and writing, and I will create a property let repeated equals basic animation dot repeat forever, and there is a property auto reverse. Going to write it as a true, and the with animation will take a property also, that is I am going to use repeated, and now I just run the program. So see, we have an animation so that from source to destination it is changing its size from 0 the frame of 70 and height of 140. Now suppose I have to animate the rotation effect also. What I am going to do, just I will create a rotation at the rate state variable rotation effect, and it should be double type and initial value should be 45. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just replacing this 45 with rotation effect. Now I'm just writing here rotation effect equals 0. Now I just run the program. As you can see, we have a rotation angle. It going to 0, then it will come to our 360 degree. You can play with different type of animation. There are multiple type of animation. There are ease in, or we give the duration also. We are just going to write 1 here. For 1 second it will animate. So this is a ease in animation. We can use a multiple animations also. There are various type of animation. You can play with all these animation. So we will wrap here, and thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.